Bedsure Fleece Bed Blankets Queen Size. Bedsure Fleece Blanket is a lightweight and soft blanket made of 100% microfiber polyester. The blanket is designed with 220 GSM velvety flannel on the top and 280 GSM Sherpa on the reverse side. The blanket is thick and warm and can be used as an extra layer on cold nights. The blanket is anti-pill, anti-static, machine washable, breathable, quick drying, and wrinkle resistant. The blanket is available in multiple sizes and colors. The blanket is made of high-quality materials that are soft, cozy, and warm. It is lightweight and airy, making it perfect for use indoors and outdoors. The blanket is available in multiple sizes and colors, making it a perfect present. It is easy to care for and guaranteed to resist fading and shedding. Some users may find the blanket too thin or not warm enough for their needs. The blanket may not be as durable as other blankets on the market. Overall, the Bedsure Fleece Blanket is a great choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, cozy, durable blanket that is perfect for use indoors and outdoors. Price $24.99.